Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Nurse Alyssa and today we're going to be going over Mepilex transfer. But first, if you could hit that like and subscribe, it would be greatly appreciated as it does help my channel grow. So let's get started. So the Mepilex transfer is a thin silicone covered foam dressing which allows for exudate to be vertically transferred into the cover dressing. So it transfers from the wound bed, it pulls up vertically to the cover dressing. So this product is great for difficult areas to dress with large amounts of exudate, okay? We can use this under compression and we can also use this over top of fungating wounds. Precautions, very thick exudate might have a hard time being pulled through this product. And if we're using any oxidizing agents such as hydrogen peroxide, just make sure that the peri skin is extremely dry before applying the dressing. Contraindications, do not use this on any untreated clinically infected wounds. As long as it is being treated, you can use this product. And do not use with skin barriers or sealants. And just so you are aware, this specific product does not have any antimicrobial properties to it, but there is the AG form, so the silver form. So that just be aware of that. In case there is infection, you can also use the silver form of this exact same product. So to apply this dressing, you're going to cleanse your wound with normal saline or sterile water and make sure you're really drying the peri-wound tissue. You can cut this dressing, but just make sure that it overlaps the peri-wound tissue by 5 centimeters. And then just remove the paper off the back and you're just going to gently mold it into the wound. And then you just apply your cover dressing, okay? So we just want to use a cover dressing to appropriately manage your exudate, so your drainage. So we always want that perfectly moist wound. So just make sure you're using an appropriate cover dressing. So to remove this dressing, you're just going to take one of the sides and gently peel it off. The expected outcome of using this is that there's no peri-wound maceration, okay? So the exudate is being pulled through properly to that cover dressing and you don't have any peri-wound maceration, because when we have maceration, wounds can get larger. Frequency of the dressing change is going to completely depend on the amount of exudate coming out of the wound. The Mepilex transfer, it can stay in place for 7 days or until the edges start lifting. So it's usually about 5-7 days, and then the cover dressing can be changed as needed. So the Mepilex transfer can actually stay in place and you can just change the cover dressing as needed up to about that 5 to 7 day range. So I have put here the different formats and sizes that you can get this in, and once again, it can be cut. So that's all I have for this video. If you haven't done so already, if you could hit that subscribe button, it would be greatly appreciated as it is helping my channel grow. And that's all that I have for today, and I'll catch you in my next video. See you guys.